Have you ever noticed how clean windows can completely transform your office? Natural light floods in, the atmosphere feels brighter, and even your team's mood improves. Yet, many offices overlook window cleaning, and it makes a bigger difference than you might think. Before we start, make sure to like this video, subscribe to FastKlean, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our best professional cleaning tips. Clean windows do more than just look nice. They boost productivity. Natural light enhances focus, reduces eye strain, and creates a more positive work environment. It's amazing how a simple window clean can make your entire office feel refreshed and energized. But it's not just about atmosphere. First impressions matter. Dirty windows can make even a stylish office look uninviting. Sparkling glass, on the other hand, sends a clear message. Your business is professional, organized, and cares about the details. Clients and visitors notice these small touches. Regular window cleaning also protects your building. Over time, grime, dust, and pollution can cause permanent damage like scratches or discoloration. Consistent cleaning helps you avoid expensive repairs and keeps your windows crystal clear for years to come. And don't forget the health benefits. Dust and allergens often settle on window sills, affecting air quality. Keeping your windows clean helps reduce allergens and supports a healthier, more pleasant workspace for your employees. So how often should you clean your office windows? For most offices, twice a year is enough. But if you're in a busy area or near a main road, quarterly cleaning is ideal to stay ahead of dirt and pollution. Regular professional cleaning makes it easy to maintain spotless windows without disrupting your schedule. With the right plan in place, your office can stay bright, clean, and professional all year round. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to FastKlean, and share your best office cleaning tips in the comments below. We'd love to hear them.